In this session, we will discuss India's aviation sector, status, potential, challenges, and way forward. Status of aviation sector in India. इंडिया में एविएशन सेक्टर का क्या स्टेटस है? नंबर वन, थर्ड लार्जेस्ट डोमेस्टिक एविएशन. India's aviation industry has experienced significant growth in the past some years. India is the third largest domestic aviation market globally. India globally third largest domestic aviation market है. Number two, role in GDP. Indian aviation also contribute 5% of the GDP, creating a total of 5 million jobs. इंडियन एविएशन सेक्टर इंडिया के जीडीपी में अबाउट 4% का कंट्रीब्यूशन करता है. अबाउट 4 मिलियन जॉब्स एविएशन सेक्टर के द्वारा क्रिएट की गई हैं. नंबर थ्री, द इंडियन एविएशन फ्लीट कंसिस्ट ऑफ ओवर 860 एयरक्राफ्ट, अकाउंटिंग फॉर अराउंड 2.4% ऑफ ग्लोबल फ्लीट, एंड टोटल ऑपरेशनल एयरपोर्ट इंक्रीज फ्रॉम 74 इन 2014 टू 162 इन 2025. इंडिया के एविएशन सेक्टर में अबाउट 860 एयरक्राफ्ट हैं. वर्ल्ड के टोटल फ्लीट का अबाउट 2.4% है. इंडिया में 2014 में जहां 74 ऑपरेशनल एयरपोर्ट हुआ करते थे, वहीं 2025 में अब 162 ऑपरेशनल एयरपोर्ट हैं. नंबर फोर, पैसेंजर ग्रोथ. डोमेस्टिक एयर पैसेंजर ट्रैफिक हैज सीन सिग्निफिकेंट एनुअल ग्रोथ विद फिगर्स एक्सीडिंग प्री पैंडेमिक लेवल. नंबर फाइव, जेंडर इक्वलिटी. India has a high share of women pilots, about 15%, significantly above the global average of 5%. What are the key drivers of India's aviation growth? इंडिया के एविएशन ग्रोथ के लिए की ड्राइवर्स क्या क्या रहे हैं? नंबर वन, ग्रोइंग मिडिल क्लास. India's growing middle class has doubled domestic air travel in a decade, reaching 37.6 crore in financial year 2024 with 15% year by year growth. This demographic shift has led to increased demand for affordable and accessible air travel, especially on domestic routes. Number two, fleet expansion. Airlines like Indigo and Air India have placed massive aircraft numbers. The number of operational commercial aircraft is expected to reach 1,100 by 2027, up from 771 in 2023. Number three, tourism and business travel. The rise of religious, medical, adventure tourism and growing business travel has boosted to overall growth of India's aviation sector. Number four, talent pool. India has 50% women pilot compared to the global average of 5%, highlights significant progress in aviation gender equality. Number five, increasing private sector participation. Public-private partnership airport have grown from just 5 in 2014 to 24 in 2024. The national monetization pipeline includes privatization of 25 airports. नंबर सिक्स, गवर्नमेंट इनिशिएटिव्स. उड़ान उड़े देश का आम नागरिक हैज enhanced regional connectivity by subsidizing airfares and developing airports. Under Udan, over 519 routes have been operationalized, improving accessibility to the remote and interior regions across the country. Digi Yatra enable contactless, paperless air travel through facing recognition technology for seamless passenger processing. The government allow 100% foreign direct investment (FDI) in scheduled domestic airlines, which non-residents Indians while non-residents Indians can invest 100% under the automatic route in scheduled air transport services. Between 2000 and 2024, India attracted USD 3.85 billion in FDI in the air transport sector. India implements uniform 5% integrated goods and service tax on aircraft part to boost the domestic maintenance, repair and overhaul industry, which is projected to reach USD 4 billion by 2030. What challenges does Indian aviation face? Indian aviation present में क्या क्या challenges face कर रहा है? Number one, high fuel cost. Aviation turbine fuel is heavily taxed in India, making up a significant portion of airline operating expenses and adding to the financial burden. Number two, aviation is a low margin industry with a global net profit margin of just 3.6%. Number three, exchange rate volatility. The depreciation of the Indian rupee against the US dollar raised cost for the airlines as key expenses like aircraft, leasing, and fuel import are dollar dominated. Number four, sustainability. The global aviation industry is committed to achieving net zero carbon emission by 2050. But India's efforts are hindered by the slow adoption of sustainable aviation fuel and limited green airport infrastructure, impacting its progress in reducing emissions and environmental impact. Number 5. Lack of regional connectivity. Despite progress under the UDAN scheme, many Tier 2nd and Tier 3rd cities, especially in developing states like Telangana, remains connected. Number 6. Regulatory complexity and overlaps. Multiple agencies oversees aviation, leading to overlapping mandates and delay clearances. Airlines face complex compliance burden, including taxation, environmental clearance, and airport charges. Number 7. Underdeveloped airspace modernization. Rapid increase in aircraft has not been aligned with modernization of air traffic control and airspace optimization, especially in busy sectors, leading to flight routing and delays. Additionally, weak cargo infrastructure hampers freight growth despite rising demand. What measures are needed to strengthen India's aviation growth? Number 1. Rationalization of ATF taxation. Number 2. Airspace modernization. Number 3. Boost sustainability. Number 3. Incentivizing cargo infrastructure. Number 1. Rationalization of ATF taxation. Bring ATF under the GST regime to reduce cascading taxes and provide uniform pricing across states. Number 2. Airspace modernization. Expedite the proposed civil air traffic management system with advanced surface movement guidance and control system to optimize airspace usage and reduce delays. Number 3. Boost sustainability. India, the world's third largest ethanol producer and consumer, has a strong potential to lead the SAF production via the alcohol to jet pathways. Number 4. Incentivizing cargo infrastructure. Develop dedicated air cargo hub under Krishi Udan 2.0 with cold chain and warehousing for perishable and high value goods to boost rural incomes and export. What are the government initiatives for aviation sector in India? इंडिया में एविएशन सेक्टर के लिए गवर्नमेंट के क्या क्या इनिशिएटिव्स रहे हैं? नंबर 1, नेशनल सिविल एविएशन पॉलिसी 2016। नंबर 2, उड़ान स्कीम। नंबर 3, डिजी यात्रा। नंबर 4, ओपन स्काई पॉलिसी। नंबर 5, ओपन स्काई एयर सर्विस एग्रीमेंट। नेक्स्ट, एफडीआई पॉलिसी, टैक्स एंड ड्यूटी कट्स। नेक्स्ट, गगन जीपीएस एडेड ऑगमेंटेड नेविगेशन। भारतीय वायुयान अधिनियम 2024। This is PYQ related to this article. Question. Examine the development of airports in India through joint ventures under public-private partnership model. What are the challenges faced by authorities in this regard? 2017 में क्वेश्चन पूछा गया था.